Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect new Wi-Fi to your Epson Smart TV Projector. And to do this, we'll need to open the settings in the top right corner of the screen, then find Network and Internet. Here you will see a list of all available networks that you can connect with, and just click on See All if you don't find your own. And then select whichever network you like, enter the password, and then hit the enter. Now you should be successfully connected with new Wi-Fi network. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.